Well, hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at all of my locomotives and all of my pieces of rolling stock that are in the collection. A few years back I did a video like this, and the collection has fully transitioned into a totally different collection. So I thought I'd do another video to update you guys, and I'm thinking about doing this yearly. So we're going to start with the locomotives, starting with this Athearn Genesis Illinois Central SD70 number 1000. I got this unit freshly painted, brand new from OVR Trains, and Rob Arnesalt had it weathered up there in Canada, so shout out to him. This unit right here is a Atlas Masterline C40-8W in the Canadian National Paint Scheme number 2179. We have two scale trains ES44 ACs in the Canadian National Paint number 2996 and number 2910. Up next are four scale trains rivet counter ET44 ACs. Now, three of these are the CN Heritage units, and one of them is in the regular paint. We'll start off with the normal painted unit, which is number 3011. And then with the three Heritage units, I have the EJ&E Heritage unit, the Wisconsin Central Heritage unit, and the British Columbia Rail Heritage unit, numbers 3023, 3069, and 3115, respectively. Next up is an Athearn Genesis GP38-2 in the Grand Trunk Western OLS paint scheme, number 5856. Next, I have this Athearn Genesis SD70M-2. This is in their Genesis 2.0 line, number 8952. It's in the Grand Trunk Western Heritage paint scheme, and it runs beautifully. So yeah, that is all of my locomotives, 10 to be exact, and I hope to collect plenty more in this next year. Alright guys, on to the rolling stock. I don't have much rolling stock, and that's because I spent a lot of time collecting locomotives in the second half of this year, but we'll showcase what I do have. Starting off with four of these scale trains rivet counter 48-foot 2 coil cars. These have the two covers, and I just picked these up not even 2 days ago, so fresh, brand new. I have another, I think, 7 coming, so that should be exciting and fun. These are very detailed, and I have CTRN. I have a BNSF car here with some patches and stuff. A Union Pacific car with a NS coil. And the Norfolk and Western coil car here with the NS coils. Up next are two Athearn Genesis tank cars. The first one's a UCLX car, and the second one a UTLX. Right here I have two Aurora Miniatures box cars. These cars are wonderful, and there is another run coming out in less than a month. So you can expect another review of those. Hopefully I can get my hands on some of them. But I have IC number 21090 here, and the F-Box version here, which is 506913. These cars are very beautiful and have a lot of detail. This next car is an Athearn Genesis 50-foot Seiko box car. It's painted in Canadian Pacific. Has some nice patches on it. This next car is a 60-foot high cube box car from Athearn Ready to Roll in the CSX paint scheme. Now this next car is a car that I had been looking at for a long time. I'd actually owned a CSX version and did a review on that, and I liked it so much that I decided to pick up the GONX car. If you guys don't know, I do reviews on a lot of products, and then I'll just sell them, but I like this one so much that I decided to pick up the GONX car. And this car is the Arrowhead Models Greenville Steel 2494 cubic foot gondola. These next two cars, or three cars I should say, are from Tangent Model Trains. The first two are PS 4427 high side covered hoppers. These have the WC reporting marks. and are painted for CN. The next car is a Illinois Central 4750 covered hopper. And all three of these cars are very, very beautiful cars. I wish they'd make more of the 4750s. Definitely pick up some more of those. The next two cars are from Rapido. The first car here is a covered hopper that was weathered by Rob Arsenal, and the weathering job is just superb on that. And the second car is a Procore hopper. It's a cylindrical hopper. These next four cars are by Athearn Genesis, and they are all 5161 cubic foot covered hoppers. The first one is GATX in the GACX reporting marks. The second one is a DJTX with the AGP logo on it. And the last two are both NS cars. Now this last car here is a car made by Rapido Trains. And that is the Auto Flood 3 coal hopper. Now I'm modeling the Canadian National, so we don't actually have coal in the area, but we do have pet coke, which is petroleum coke. It is a fine powder that they haul in these cars. And I plan on getting many, many more and creating a whole train with them. But I just couldn't pass up this car, and just in case I got this car. I think they'll always make more road numbers of the CEFX, but they might not make that particular car again, so I thought I'd pick that one up. But yeah, guys, that is all 21 cars, I believe, and 10 locomotives. Now remember, I am picking up more of these coil cars, and I do have more of these box cars coming, and many, many, many more reviews coming in 2024. I mean, like a lot of reviews coming in 2024. I know I was pretty absent in 2022 and 2023, but I plan on making a comeback in 2024, and expect a lot of videos. And maybe I'll actually finish this layout for once. I got to get the road going and the gravel, and then I'm also gonna get started on this layout, which is all drawn up, as you can see, but I haven't really done anything to it. But yeah, guys, with all that being said, I'll have to see you guys in my next video or review. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, tell your friends about my videos, and I'll see you guys on the high iron. Peace.